Have you ever wondered how architects communicate their designs? Well, it all starts with architectural drawings, the visual language of architecture that translates ideas into reality. Imagine a floor plan, a two-dimensional representation of a building's layout viewed from above. It's like a map guiding you through the rooms, walls, doors, and windows on a specific floor. These plans offer a bird's-eye view of the space, revealing the relationship between different areas in a building. Now, picture an elevation, a two-dimensional depiction of a building's vertical side. This is the architect's way of showing you the exterior facades, their heights, proportions, and intricate details. It's as if you're standing right in front of the building, examining its every detail. Visualize a section, a vertical cut-through view of the building. It's like slicing a cake, revealing the internal layers and spatial relationships. These drawings help us understand the vertical dimensions and construction of various parts of the building, offering a peek into the architect's mind. Zoom into a detail, focusing on a specific component or area of the building. These drawings reveal the construction methods, materials, and dimensions in a more detailed manner, ensuring accurate implementation of the design. Now, imagine a site plan, a bird's-eye view of the building within its surrounding environment. It's like an aerial photograph, showing the building's placement on the site, the landscaping, access points, and other relevant features. Envision a rendering, a visual representation that showcases the final look of the building. These aren't strictly technical drawings, but they play a crucial role in presentations and marketing, giving stakeholders a glimpse of the future. And finally, consider a schedule, an organized list of components, materials, or other elements with corresponding details. These schedules, whether they are for doors, windows, or finishes, help streamline the construction process. In the world of architecture, these drawings are typically created using computer-aided design software, a tool that allows for precise and detailed representations. They serve as a crucial means of communication, bridging the gap between architects, engineers, contractors, and other professionals involved in the construction process. So the next time you see a building, remember the architectural drawings that played a pivotal role in its creation. From floor plans to elevations, sections to details, site plans to renderings, and schedules, each drawing tells a story of ideas transformed into tangible structures. It's the language of architecture, spoken through lines and shapes, dimensions and details, a language that brings designs to life.